Padma Parvati Lakshmi Vaidynathan, known professionally as Padma Lakshmi, is an American author, actress, model, and television host. She is the host of the U.S. cooking competition program Top Chef. She has hosted the show continuously since season 2, with season 17 being the latest. For her work, she received a Primetime Emmy nomination for Outstanding Reality Host in 2009. She has published 3 cookbooks and 1 memoir. She has also ventured into acting in film and television and hosted several cooking programs before Top Chef. She also launched her own kitchenware line. Padma Parvati Lakshmi Vaidynathan was born in Madras, India, into a middle-class Tamil family. Her mother, Vijaya, is a retired nurse. Her father is a retired executive with the pharmaceutical company Pfizer. Her parents divorced when she was 2. Both of her parents later remarried, and she has a younger half-brother and half-sister from her father's side. She grew up first in New York and then in Los Angeles with her mother and stepfather. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.